ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. 9ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലുള്ള ദ റേസ് എന്ന പാഠഭാഗത്തിലെ നോട്ട്സാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമാവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, മറ്റുള്ളവർക്കും ഇത്തരം അറിവുകൾ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. Unit 1 Aspire to Win. List out the qualities of a good sports person. Answer: team spirit, fighting spirit, disciplined hard work, the positive thinking. The Race. Story by Nisha Punjabi. What did Tarun do to release all his pent-up emotions? Answer: Tarun exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent-up emotions. What is the only dream of Tarun? Answer: Tarun just had only one dream, to become the fastest runner in the world. Why did Tarun's friends made fun of him? Answer: Tarun's friends made fun of him because he failed in his terminal examinations. Identify the word in the passage only average student. Answer: mediocre. Why did Tarun consider him as a black sheep in his family? Answer: Tarun was an average student and his grades are very low. He was not a good singer, dancer, painter, or even an actor. So he thought of himself as the black sheep of his family. What were the obstacles before Tarun to pursuing his dream? Answer: Tarun's parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies, which he never did. He belonged to a middle-class family, so they had financial crisis for his intensive training. What does the expression black sheep means? Answer: it is an idiom used to describe an odd or disreputable member of a group, especially within a family. Example for idiom: kicked the bucket, it means died. Raining cats and dogs means raining very heavily. Word meaning: mediocre, of only average standard, barely, hardly or scarcely, pent up, of feelings and emotions that cannot be expressed, panting, breath with short, quick breaths, out of breath. Find the meanings of idioms. Pros and cons. The arguments for and against something. The advantages and disadvantages of something. Bed of roses. A situation or action that is a bed of roses when it is comfortable, easy, luxurious, etc. Herculean task. It is an extremely difficult task or an almost impossible undertaking. Crocodile tears. An insincere show of sympathy or sadness. 11th hour. At a last stage, at the last moment. In black and white. In writing or print. In terms of clearly defined opposing principles or issues. Red tape. Official, bureaucratic rules or methods that are typically overly strict, convoluted, or tedious. Use in sentence. Pros and cons. Could you give a few pros and cons on that idea? Bed of roses. She found that taking care of all parents was not a bed of roses. Herculean task. To count the number of waves in the sea is a Herculean task. Crocodile tears. She shed crocodile tears when she dismissed him from his job. 11th hour. The lady was scolded for reporting for duty at the 11th hour. In black and white. Children think in black and white, good and bad. Red tape. It takes weeks to get through the red tape. What made Ramnarayan says life is full of ups and downs? Answer. Because life will not complete without ups and downs. That means victories and losses. Ramnarayan wants to encourage positive thinking in Tarun, who was totally disappointed for his failure in the examinations through this statement. Do you think Tarun's meeting with Ramnarayan changed his life? How? Answer. Yes. Ramnarayan is an Olympic medal winner in the 400-meter race in the 1960. He knows the international methods of training and various tactics to win the race. So, Ramnarayan's expert training will help Tarun to discover his hidden talents to achieve his goal as the best runner in the world. What made Ramnarayan say that it was his job to get the entry for Tarun in the race? Answer. Ramnarayan here wanted to convey Tarun the fact that he could only help him to get entry in the race. He also wanted to remind Tarun that his best performance is the only way to win the race. Why did Tarun really want to win the race? Answer. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Ramnarayan saw Tarun sitting lonely on a bench. He looked desperate too. He went near him and inquired the reason. Write the possible dialogue between Ramnarayan and Tarun. Answer. Ram. Hello dear. You look so sad. What happened to you, son? Why are you sad? Tarun. I failed in 2 subjects. Ram. Life is full of ups and downs, my boy. By the way, I am Ramnarayan. And you are one of the best runners I have ever seen. Tarun. Ramnarayan? Are you the same Ramnarayan who won an Olympic medal in the 400-meter race in the 1960s? Ram. Yes. Son, I have been watching you for the past 15 minutes and I see a good future in you. All you need to do is keep that passion burning in you and never give up. Have you joined some training school? Tarun. A training school is very expensive, sir, and I am unemployed. Ram. Oh, no professional training yet? I'll train you if you practice and win in the race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Tarun. Sir, I'll do it. Ram. Fine boy. It is my job to get your entry in the race and remember you have to win it. What is your name? Tarun. Tarun. Tarun Kabu, sir. Ram. Tarun. I'll meet you here after 5 days to give you your participation card. All the best. Write the subject part and the predicate part of the given sentences. Life is full of ups and downs. Answer. Subject life. Predicate is full of ups and downs. A training school is very expensive. Answer. Subject a training school. Predicate is very expensive. Children of your age are competing the. Answer. Subject children of your age. Predicate are competing the. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. Answer. Subject tears. Predicate were rolling down his cheeks. Tarun pedaled away to the stadium. What is the meaning of this? Answer. Tarun rode his cycle. Tarun felt very proud of himself. What made him proud? Answer. He was the fastest runner among the participants. So Tarun felt very proud of himself. If you were Tarun, would you finish the race or give it up? Why? Answer. If I am Tarun, definitely I wouldn't give up. I have the fighting spirit, so I'll fight till the game ends. Do you think the presence of his mother and Ram Narayan helped Tarun in finishing the race? Give reasons. Answer: yes. The presence of his mother and Ram Narayan helped Tarun in finishing the race. Each time he fell, both them encouraged him. It is only because of their encouragement he was able to finish the race. Support of family, friends, and teachers play an important role in one's success. You have won the toughest race, the race of your life. What did Ram Narayan mean by this? Answer: Ram Narayan meant that Tarun has been trying hard to do his best in the race in spite of falling thrice by getting up again and again to complete the race. He also hoped that Tarun might face the problems of his life too in the same way, with determination and willpower. Such persons would meet with success in life. Tarun was one such a real life hero. Activity 1. Write a brief character sketch of Tarun. Answer: Tarun is the main character of the story The Race, written by Nisha Punjabi. He was a mediocre student of a middle class family. He was not good at anything, so he considered himself as a black sheep in the family. But at the same time, he was blessed with the strength of a great athlete. He was an excellent runner. He dreamed to become the fastest runner in the world. He released his pent up emotions by way of running. Tarun had good sense of humor. Because of that, he said to Ram Narayan, "A training school is very expensive, sir, and I am unemployed." He is very hardworking. Because that, he practiced zealously. Every day he get up at 4 in the morning and run up to 10 miles. But in the race told by Ram Narayan, Tarun slipped and fell thrice. He got inspiration from the support of his mother and Ram Narayan. He finished last in the race. "I am sorry, sir, I lost," said the disappointed Tarun. But to his surprise, Ram Narayan appreciated him, saying, "You are a real life hero. Your training starts tomorrow." Thus, Tarun proved himself as hardworking, determined, and self motivated boy. Activity 2. There are so many factors, both mental and physical, that affect health. List such factors: smoking, drinking, obesity, junk food, stress. Prepare a write up based on these factors, which are related to lifestyle diseases and what are the ways to prevent them. Answer: lifestyle diseases resulted due to poor choices like smoking, poor diet, lack of physical activity, and drinking have emerged as the world's biggest killer. According to statistics and estimates from the World Health Organization or WHO, here are top lifestyle diseases that together are responsible for more than 80% of global deaths in low income and middle income. Type 2 diabetes, caused due to their body's inability to utilize insulin properly. Type 2 diabetes is the most common preventable lifestyle disease that affects nearly 347 million people around the globe. This resistance to insulin is a direct result of poor lifestyle. You can easily prevent it by controlling risk factors like obesity, smoking, physical inactivity, and restricting diet rich in saturated fats. Heart disease. There is no single cause of heart disease, but increased cholesterol and triglyceride level in the blood is the most common reason why people are suffering from it. With high consumption of junk food, lack of exercise, smoking and drinking, even the young generation has become susceptible to heart disease, adding to the global burden. Hypertension. India has more than 100 million people living with high blood pressure, and most of them have the disease because of increased stress levels, obesity, and increased salt intake. Cancer, although genetics has a major role to play in causing cancer, chewing tobacco and smoking are the biggest factors that increase the risk of suffering from the deadly disease. Tobacco is not only linked to lung and oral cancer but has also been found to increase the risk of cancer of the neck, esophagus, breast, pancreas, kidneys, and colon. Chronic respiratory diseases. According to the WHO, the number of people suffering from respiratory diseases like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, occupational lung diseases, and pulmonary hypertension has reached an alarming level due to factors like smoking, pollution, and poor nutrition. Alzheimer's disease. The exact cause of Alzheimer's is not yet known, but there is increasing evidence that lifestyle choices people make in their early years of life play a key role in deciding whether they will suffer from the disease later in life. According to the WHO estimates, currently 35.6 million worldwide are suffering from the disease, and the number is suspected to double by 2030. Activity 5. Look at a few screenshots of the last over of the final of the Tri-Series Cup cricket match between India and Sri Lanka, held at Queen's Park Oval, Port of Spain, Trinidad on July 11, 2013. Prepare a commentary based on the screenshots. Page number 90. Answer. Welcome once again to the Queen's Park Oval, Port of Spain, Trinidad, for watching the last hour of the final of the Tri-Series Cup cricket match between India and Sri Lanka. This is, write your name here in the commentary box. The gallery is thickly packed with thousands of spectators. They are all eagerly waiting to watch the final over, the over that decides the winning team. Sri Lankan captain handed the ball over to the bowler Iranga for the last over. The Sri Lankan players are standing in various positions in the ground. The Indian cricket captain Dhoni took position on the crease to face the first ball. Holding their breath, the spectators wait for the first ball. The batsman misses the first ball, and the spectators can be seen sigh loudly in relief. Dhoni strikes the second ball, a huge six. The ball is in the air. Here is a change in the fielding arrangements. The bowler threw the third ball as fast as he can. But Dhoni faced the ball fearlessly and strikes the ball to the boundary. The spectators cheer with loud slogans supporting Indian team. 3 balls are remaining in the over. Tension gripped both in batsman and bowler. Dhoni strikes the fourth ball with a huge six run in the air. All the spectators became happy with the winning shot. They rejoiced with tricolor flag and drum beating. All the Indian players rushed to the ground and hugged each other to share their happiness in winning the match. They also thanked the spectators for their support during the play. My congratulations to Indian team, the winners, and the Sri Lankan team, the opponents. This is, write your name here, signing off. Thank you. About the author, Nisha Punjabi. Nisha Punjabi is a freelance writer based in Lucknow, India. She completed her education, including her master's in business administration. She was employed by the Lucknow Times as a freelancer. She blogs at shimmeringsunshine.blogspot.com. The race is an award-winning story in a sports category competition held by the Children's Book Trust, New Delhi, India in 2001. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us.